Good morning, students. In last lecture we discussed about the HTML form and element of form. See this: first name, middle name, last name. These three elements are a text box. Gender, male, female. This element is a radio button. Hobby, singing, dancing, reading. This is a checkbox, and this is a text area box. City is a selection list, and submit and reset button. Okay, thus you can see the creating form using HTML tag is a tedious process. A simple method is to use an IDE. Full form of IDE is Integrated Development Environment. An IDE is a software application that provides complete facility to programmer to develop software. It's provide graphical user interface. Graphical user interface means with the help of some graphics you work, and it's a user friendly text or code editor, compiler and interpreter and debugger. Here some example of IDE software: Composer, Eclipse, JBuilder and NetBeans. There are 4 examples, but we will discuss about Composer program. Introduction to Composer. Composer is a free open source web development IDE. It can be downloaded from http://www.composer.net. Here net is a extension of site. It provides a web page editor which has simple graphical interface known as what you see is what you get. That means તમે જે જુઓ છો એ જ તમને આઉટપુટમાં જોવા મળે. સિમ્પલ તમે HTMLથી બનાવો છો તો HTML ટેગ તમને ટેક્સ્ટ ફાઇલમાં જોવા મળે, અને અને તમારા બ્રાઉઝરમાં એનું આઉટપુટ જોવા મળે. પણ કમ્પોઝરમાં તમે જે જુઓ છો એ સેમ એઝ આઉટપુટમાં આવશે. હવે કમ્પોઝરની સ્ક્રીન હું તમને એક્સપ્લેન કરું. ઓકે, ધીસ ઇઝ અ કમ્પોઝર પ્રોગ્રામ. ફર્સ્ટ ઇઝ અ ટાઇટલ બાર. Title bar, untitled, composer, minimize, maximize, close button. Next, menu bar. 8 menu in this menu bar. First toolbar is a composition toolbar. This toolbar is called composition toolbar. Second is format toolbar 1 and format toolbar 2. There is a 3 toolbar in composer screen. What is the work of format toolbar? You just type and formatting your text. These 2 type of formatting toolbar here. Now your screen divide into 2 part. This one is a site manager and this is a blank page where you work. Site manager used for opening opening file. And the shortcut key to close site manager is F9. One time you press F9, you can close this site manager. Okay, this is a screen of composition toolbar. Look, this is a edit mode toolbar and 3 part of edit mode toolbar. Design, split and source, we explain it later in this chapter. First, title bar. Second, menu bar. Third one is composition toolbar. Fourth is a format toolbar 1, format toolbar 2, and site manager and blank page. Now we swap on our text. Okay, view menu. Before we learn how to create form using Composer, let us first learn the Composer interface. To view the different toolbar and status bar, if not visible, click on view, show, hide. Okay, view show and hide. All toolbar is now available in our screen. If you click one time, that toolbar invisible, and again click, the toolbar is visible. So view menu, show and hide, it's a toggle button. If you press one time, if it on present on screen, it is removed, or it not present in screen, you can click on this, see this, and edit mode toolbar, again click, you can see this edit mode toolbar. Okay, composition toolbar, format toolbar 1, format toolbar 2, edit mode toolbar, and status bar. Here is a status bar. Okay, the menu bar, there are 3 toolbar. You can see the menu bar on the top with the option like file, edit, view, insert, format, table, tools and help, and below the menu bar there are 3 toolbar: composition, format toolbar 1, format toolbar 2. First, composition toolbar is used to create new, open, save and publish web page. See, new, open, save, publish, undo, redo. And format toolbar 1 and format toolbar used to format the text, add bullets, numbering and perform similar formatting operation. Okay, this is the bullet and numbering. You can format with the help of formatting toolbar. Next, in the center of a window you can see 2 pane, site manager and blank web page. Okay, to close site manager, click close button or press F9, and page pane shown a blank untitled web page. Bottom right side of window show edit mode toolbar with 3 viewing mode: normal, HTML and preview mode. This is a edit mode toolbar, normal, HTML and preview mode. The preview, all the 3 view modes provide editing facility. With the help of these 3 modes, you can edit your document.